Nowadays, wherever you go, people are talking about AI. ChatGPT, Generative AI, Agentic AI. Every week there's a new term. But here's the problem. Most people don't actually understand what is the difference. Some of them think all AIs is same. Some of them think that AI is going to replace everything. And some of them are just confused. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand the difference between generative AI, agentic AI, and AI agents. So before we start, let's first understand what is basic AI. Let's say you are in a classroom, you have to write 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. That is a predefined condition. That's what we feed to our basic AI and it will just answer 8. If you ask basic AI that what is 5 plus 3, it will reply back that it's 8. But if you ask basic AI that tell me 5 plus 3 in a funny way, or tell me 5 plus 3 and make it as a story that you have to explain me, it won't be able to do that. It will get confused because it works on the pre-given data. Now let's come to generative AI. If you ask generative AI the same thing, it will be able to explain that 5 plus 3 into a story. So when an AI is able to create new content from the existing data, that's when we call it generative AI. So basic AI is only able to predict next best word. It can only predict words. But the generative AI, on the other hand, can create images for you, can write stories for you, or it can even create videos for you. Now let's understand what is agentic AI. Let's say there's a game that you want to attend that game, or there's a concert and you want to attend that concert. Now, if you ask the same question to generative AI that you want to go to this concert, it will be able to plan your day. Like it can say, you are getting free from work at this, or you are getting free from here to here at this. The concert is starting from this time to this time. So that's how you can plan your day. It can help you planning that day. But if you just do not want to plan, but you also want your AI to book your tickets for you, that's when we call it agentic AI. It cannot just plan, it can take actions. So it will not be able to just plan your day. It will also go ahead and book your tickets. That's when we call it agentic AI. Okay, now let's understand what is AI agents. Let's say you want to go to the same concert, but you don't live in that city, so you want to fly from somewhere else. So you will just tell this AI agent that you want to go to this concert, how the weather should be, where you want the ticket in the concert, where you want to sit, and if you are traveling, if you want to take flight or a train, and if you want to take a flight, which sort of air ticket do you want? So as per your needs, this AI will first plan your day, then it will book your air tickets, then maybe another agent will be able to book your concert tickets, and the third agent also will come in picture who will take care that if you are traveling to another place, do you have necessary visa, or if you're traveling there, do you have hotel tickets, or if you're traveling there, are you planning to get an Uber? It will also tell you how the city is like. It can tell you the weather. It can tell you multiple things. So when the task is getting bigger and there are multiple things involved, that's when the AI agents do the task, not just agentic AI. So the basic difference is the generative AI can only plan for you. The agentic AI cannot just plan, but it can also execute the plan. And the AI agents are there to do long tasks or lengthy tasks, so it can do multiple things at the same time. Plan, execute, and multiple execution, and they learn from their existing patterns. So it's easier going forward and it creates new things, new data. If this helps you understand AI a little better, drop a like or a comment. Thank you for watching the video.